feel about soap. I ain't even got it in my head yet.
No limit. I see murder, no limit, baby. Get that ghetto deep, girl, no limit. Just know when you roll with a nigga like me, there's no limit, baby. Whoa, get high, baby, roll up. Cloud nine about to go up. Loving the feeling of turbulence, girl, when we turn up. When we live, we can roll up. Show you something you ain't know about. Tonight we be taking a flight with the camera to show up. Get your body on my body, baby. I'm about to get your body, yeah, baby. Right away you grind on me. Said I'm about to get your body on me.
Hair review on my sister's hair, and it is called Doll Life Hair Collection. Classy, luxurious, flawless. And I freaking love her hair. I've tried her hair probably about twice now, and I'm satisfied every freaking time. Like, it's not one time I'm not satisfied. So this is how her packaging comes, and I'm gonna get into, I just can't get over this. This is so freaking cute. I'm so proud of my sister. Shout outs to my sister. All her information, her Instagram, her Facebook will be in my description box. So first and foremost, you guys, I'm going to get straight into basically like the lengths and the bundles that I got from her this time. So let's get into the video. The lengths that I got, I have it in my phone if you see me looking down. The lengths that I have is, I have the 18, 20, and 22 bundles, and my closure is a 16 inch. So basically, her hair is Brazilian, and the texture I got was super curly. So I'm also going to include a picture of the different types of hair, can't even talk, the different type of like curl pattern she has. Brazilian straight, she has curly, she has she got so much different stuff, but I'm gonna get into the unboxing, and then I'm going to include clips of the hair. I hope she don't be mad at me about how I'm about to unbox this hair. I can't cut the ribbon. The ribbon is too cute to cut. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. I'm so geek. So it comes in, oh my god, look at that. Y'all, I don't think y'all understand how excited I am right now. So this is what it looks like. This is my closure. And you can part it any freaking which way you want to. Look at that. And the hair feels so freaking soft. Oh my god. Oh my. I feel about soap. I ain't even got it in my head yet. This is one of my bundles. This is my 22 bundle. This is my 22 bundle. This is my 18 bundle. Super cute, super ready. This is my 18. I have 122, 118, a closure, and a 20 inch. And you guys, when she package your hair, it comes with her logo on it, and it's so freaking cute. And she tell you like what inch the hair is. Look at this, y'all. Look at these curls. I'm so geeked to co-wash this hair and see, like, oh my god, I'm so geeked. Okay, let me get my life. So we got, I'm sorry y'all, I'm all over the place. 20 inch, 22 inch. And then we have, I just took the paper off of it. This is my 18, I believe. Yep, 18. I accidentally took the paper off of it. So y'all, I really honestly feel like all I need is 3 bundles. Like this hair gets so big. Like I've seen my sister wear this hair and this hair gets so freaking big. So I think 3 bundles is gonna be perfect for me. But look at this hair, y'all. I'm so freaking excited. Like, even if you guys just wanted like a natural curly ponytail, you can order just a bundle and this hair gets so freaking big and it looks so natural. I'm so excited. Basically what I'm going to be doing is putting a orange rinse in it. You can really put whatever color rinse you want to put in the hair, but I'm putting an orange rinse in it, and I will show you guys what the rinse is. I will be using the Jazzing Classic Professional. It is in Spice Cognac. So I'll be using that. I have 2 bottles of the Spice Cognac. So I'm going to be using that to rinse my bundles. And then after I rinse my bundles, she said to co-wash the hair. So you do not have to shampoo the hair, you only have to co-wash the hair. So I was going to bleach my knots on my closure, but I kind of now don't want to because I don't want to damage the lace on the closure. So now I'm not going to bleach the lace. I'm just going to leave it as it be, because the closure alone looks so amazing. And I'll give you guys another clip up close of how good the closure looks. Okay guys, it is going on 10:24. Disclaimer guys, I ended up not putting the rinse in. I only co-washed the hair. I felt by the time I got down to wanting to put the color in, I didn't want to anymore. I have to get this rinse in this hair tonight so I can rinse it out, put the conditioner in, co-wash the hair, so that way it'll be air dry by tomorrow. Now if you order hair from her, she really does recommend with the really curly hair to let it be air dry. Do not try to diffuse it. You can, but she recommends the air dry because the hair gets so big and full. So please try to air dry the hair. And also, I will put all her information in the description box. My battery is about to die, guys, so I gotta cut this short. So I hope you guys liked the video. Again, I will put all her information in the description box and also a picture of her Instagram so you can follow her and get hair from her. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll be back at it again with another video. Lex gang in this thing. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. See y'all in the next video. Bye guys.